Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mail with Entrepreneur Freedom, where I show you great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or even to start one. So in today's video, we're going to build out an automation that's going to allow you to grow your Instagram account. This automation will allow you to repurpose other Instagram posts onto your account to grow followers, as well as giving credit to the person who created the post in the first place. Okay, this is a very simple automation. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes for somebody who's experienced and maybe 20 minutes to 30 minutes for a person who is not experienced. So what we're trying to build out today is very simple and easy. So when you grab a post from somebody else, it's going to automatically post onto your Instagram account. It's also going to add some content to it. Mine I'm using is questions. As you can see, it's asking the questions and it's giving that person who I am repurposing their content onto my account, it's giving them credit. And I'm going to show you how to do this, as well as adding hashtags. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. It's a very simple, easy build. The things that you're going to need to have when you're starting to build this out, you're going to need to have an Instagram business account because you're going to need to see the features. Excuse me. You're also going to need an API code from OpenAI. You're going to need that as well. Again, you're going to need to have an Instagram business account to be able to do this. So these are the things you're going to need. Now, to get started, make sure you're logged on to your Facebook account that's connected to your Instagram business account. Make sure that you created your hashtag so that way you have all this stuff ready. You can just copy and paste it into the prompt. And create your prompt that you want to use. You can use any prompt you want with this to create the content when it posts. Okay, so let's jump right into this video and get it started. So the first thing you're going to need is Instagram account. Make sure you have the business account. What you're looking for is you want to watch public user media. That's what you want to add. So what is going to happen if you are logged into your Instagram account, it should automatically connect. But when it comes to Boost Space, there's a little, I don't know if it's just Boost Space or how it is. It's very tricky. You're going to have to reconnect your Instagram account. So hit add and then hit this little button here and it's going to show advancement. You're going to put your ID, which you'll get. Now, if you have not connected your Instagram account to your Boost Space before, I will have a link at the bottom of this video that will walk you step by step on how to connect it. It's very simple and very easy. I had to redo mine because I haven't used Instagram to connect to Boost Space in a while, so I had to do the video. Do that step-by-step guide. I will leave it at the bottom of the video. Second thing you're gonna need is from that is when you connect it, you're gonna get these. You're gonna get this client ID and you're gonna get a client secret. Okay, you're gonna get these from when you connect your account. So you're gonna hit save. When you hit save, it's going to open up another window, okay? And you're going to just hit reconnect, okay? Once it's reconnected, it's going to take this grayness and this is going to just be white, okay? As you can see. Now what you do is click down the down menu and it's looking for your Instagram page, okay? I have one, it's showing one. Now the user, that is where I'm getting my content from. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to grab this from here because I already posted. But when you post, excuse me, when you are first finding that person that you want to use the content from, the repurpose, you're going to have Instagram and you're going to have their name. As you can see, mine is entrepreneur underscore freedoms. So that's how it's going to be. Okay, so just remember, when you find that person, it's going to be like that. You just need to grab the back end of that. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put that in here. You're going to put the user's name in here. Okay, and then you're going to go down here. This is where you're going to choose how many posts you want to do when you set up the schedule. If you want to do daily, 15 minutes, whatever. I'm going to choose one. Okay, and we'll go more into detail what this is for in a second. So hit OK. So right here it's going to choose manual, just choose all and then hit OK because we're going to go back to that. Okay. Second module you're going to need is OpenAI API. Excuse me. So you're going to click on that and you're going to create a prompt here. This is the one you want to choose. Now, ChatGPT or BoostSpace has updated their connection. So this is going to be a little different than normal. Normally, it would have a drop-down menu, and you just use not drop-down menu. It normally has one, but it's changed a little bit. So what you're going to do is make sure when you're in selecting in here the method, you want to choose legend. Okay, make sure you choose legend. Okay. Now this is where you choose your model, and we're going to choose 3.5. I think that works perfectly fine without any issues. So I'm choosing the first one. You can choose any of these, but I like this one. This one works perfectly fine. Now this is where you're going to put your prompt in, okay? So we're just going to copy my prompt. Excuse me. We're going to copy my prompt. And you could put any kind of prompt that you want in here. Just choose whatever. I just create a basic prompt because I'm not going all crazy with this. Tokens, I'm putting 1,000. You could put whatever you want. And then hit save. Hit OK, and then hit save here. Okay. The next module you're going to need is another Instagram one. Okay. And this one you want to make sure it says create a photo post. Click on that. Close this out. Hit save. Hit save anyway. Then we're going to go over here. Okay. You're going to right click and you're going to choose start from where, because we need some data from this to this other Instagram. So what you're going to do is choose manually. Hit OK. When it's, hit manually and it's automatically should pop open a window. And then it's going to show all the posts that this person has that you're following. I'm just going to choose this one and hit OK. Then you're going to right click and then you're going to hit run manual. And it's only going to run this one. Okay. Because we need data from this for this Instagram. As you can see, just check real quick in the bulk and make sure that it grabbed that one. It's fine. Hit close that out. You can go over here and now you're going to go to excuse me, you're going to go over to Instagram over here, and then what it's going to do is going to find that it has your page, which it did. And now what we're going to do is, now what we're doing, the photo URL, this is where we want to grab this one. So we want to go to Instagram and go down here to photo URL and add that in there. Okay, that's why we had to run that one. Okay, so you're going to go down here, you're going to go to captures, and you're going to add this excuse me, you're going to add some information in here. So the capture is where we're going to get the data from OpenAI. So you're going to go down here to hit choice, and then you're going to hit text, and you're going to have that in like that. Then I want you to do is hit space, and then I want you to type in this here, and it's called photo credit at. This is how you're going to give credit to the user. After you put that in there, you're going to go in and you're going to click on that, and you're going to go down to the Instagram one down here again, and you're going to look for user. This is where you should see the user that you're using. And the data, if you don't see that here, that means there's something wrong. You have to rerun that again. So click user, and it's going to put that down here. Okay. Second thing is, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put your hashtags. Remember I said you should have your hashtags all together. So what we're going to do is we're just going to grab my hashtags from here and reuse them. Okay, and we're going to put the hashtags. Okay, the hashtags are going to show up right here. Now, just want to let you know that the hashtags are always going to be the same. So make sure that you create hashtags that's similar to what you're trying to post. This guy posts, this person, Success Tips does successful stuff. So I make sure my hashtags is mirrored around what I'm trying to say. So that way it's close to what he is posting. So just make sure that you do that. You could use ChatGPT to come up with hashtags, or Claude, or whatever you want to do. Any OpenAI to do that. Okay. Excuse me a second. So once that's done, you're good to go on that part. And then all you have to do is basically check it over to make sure everything's okay. And then you hit OK, and then hit save. Now what you do is you're going to run the manual again. So what I would do is you can right click. You don't have to right click. You can just basically hit run. It might not work because you might have to grab another. Since it ran that one before, it might want to run it again. Okay, it did work. Okay. So it's basically running this straight through here. It's grabbing that post. It's adding my question, and it's posting it to my Instagram. So basically go here, close this out real quick, refresh your Instagram, and you should see the new post. It's right there. There's my new post, and it has my question right here. Again, you don't have to use a question. You can put whatever you want. You can give it whatever prompt that you want. You can use ChatGPT to create prompts. It's pretty good. They make some pretty good prompts. Okay, and then here is, I'm giving credit to Successful Tips. He's the one posted this, and I'm just repurposing it to my Instagram. It's a very simple build. It's very easy to build this. It should take, again, person with experience, maybe 15 minutes, person with not experience, 20 minutes. It's a very simple, easy build. Now, if you want to use this, if you click on this, remember I said that you can do how many, you can do 1, 2, 3 posts. You can go down here and you can schedule it. So in here, you could do once, you could do it only once, you could do it every day, you could do it once a week, once a month, or specific dates, or on demand. You can create that. So I usually do every day, and then I usually choose a time, and you can just set the time on when you want it to post. Just choose your time and you'll be good to go. So say I want to do 11 o'clock, it will allow me to do 11 o'clock. That's what this is for. How many, again, this is how many you want to post. So if you want to post 3 every day at 3 o'clock, it will do that. 5, whatever you want. That's what that's for. And again, it works with this one by scheduling. Okay, it's a simple build. It's not very difficult to build this out. Anybody can build this. So if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will be working on a second part to this on how to get videos, to repurpose videos onto your Instagram. This is mainly for pictures and memes type things. But again, I will try, not memes. Yeah, memes. So if you want to see more videos on how to use this when it comes to purposing other content, please leave comment at the comment at the end of the video. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more, again, put comments. Thank you for watching my video, and by the way, happy 2025, and hopefully this will be a great year for all of us. I will see you on the next video. This is Michael Mayo with Entrepreneur Freedom, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.